Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories today. I have a fun announcement for you. I am the guest collaborator over on Susan. I totally love it. Her channel, she does Junk Journal Madness, and I am the guest collaborator for April. She already did her introduction video. This is going to be my introduction video, and I'll link hers in the description box below, so you could see how she picks our themes and so forth. So she has pages here. I don't have the first page, but the first page was just a bunch of themes for you to pick from. And I put together 6 themes that I liked: roses and neutrals 1. So if you guys, I would love for you guys to join in with us and use the hashtag Junk Journal Madness. And she and I are going to have a bunch of, like, throughout the whole month, we're going to be working on a journal. So part of this is like a challenge, right? It's not just a collaboration where we come and make any kind of journal we want. This one is more like of a challenge creation. So this page right here, she has items that we are to include, and it's just a bunch of different ones. She rolled a dice and 8 items were picked that you have to pick from, that you have to choose from the list. So I picked napkin, playing card, library card, guest check, envelope, paper bag, calendar or digitals, because I'm not sure if I threw away my calendar or if I kept it. And then a glassine item. So that's what I picked for items to include. So those could be things like given to me. So let's see, in this stack here, I have this glassine bag I'm going to be using that was gifted to me. This one as well. It's not so neutral with the roses. I'm going to use it because it has the roses. But the blue isn't that, like, in your face where I think that wouldn't work. We have some paper bags. I'm going to incorporate that some kind of way. What else? I know I have a library card in here. I have so much stuff I took out. Anything that had roses or neutral, I pretty much took out. Here's our envelope. Yep, I needed an envelope. Here's our rose envelope. What else? The glassine, I showed you guys that. Then I have, digitals. I have lace papers here. That's kind of stuff. Oh, here they are. We have guest checks. Here it is. Here it is. I have a couple of these library cards that were gifted to me, so I'm definitely going to be using those. So that's what this list is for. And then the second list here is items that we are going to make. So I decided, out of the 9 items I had to choose, we're going to do a tag with a pocket, of course some little mini tags, ticket, label, pocket with a window, a master board, coin envelope, a journal card, and then a specimen card. So these are some of the items that I probably put aside that I'm going to be using, because they either have roses on them or they are neutrals in some kind of way. And this is the little one I just made so far. I hope this fits. I made this one a while back too. I thought it would go well because it's neutral and it has the rose on it, and it has like a little mini envelope. Let's see, we have these vintage neutral papers I'm going to be using. Index card are we done. We have some labels here. A bunch of fun stuff. I'm going to use this for the neutrals in it. So let me show you guys what we're going to be working in with all our fun items we have. This is a little mini spiral bound journal notebook that I bought from the Dollar Tree. It is lined. That's okay, because we're going to be covering up most of the pages. So I already went ahead and prepped my book. I glued some pages together and then made like a large pocket here. Left some pages blank to decorate and do other things with. And then I cut this page in half and made it another little pocket here. You could slide things in and out. I'm thinking about putting little tags here. Since it's roses and neutrals, I really picked this theme because I love roses, and this year I plan to grow more varieties of roses, and I wanted a little journal that I can go ahead and write on, put pictures on, write information about them, maybe stick little pictures of them as they're growing. Oops, there we go. I'll have to fix that one. Stick little pictures in them as they're growing. I think this pocket, it glued together. I'm gonna have to redo it. So I thought that would be perfect. So half the journal is with like the little pockets and such, and then right here I think is when I stopped, and I'm going to leave the rest of the pages probably blank with a little bit of stenciling or some stamping or some fussy cut images or something, just for me to journal on throughout the spring and summertime to, you know, see how my roses are going to be growing. So that is where we are at today. I just wanted to come on and give you guys the lowdown on junk journal madness and how it works and sort of the feel of the items I'm going to be including. The next video we're going to be starting working in our little journal here, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.